Let your imagination fly. I found it. I found it. Every man, woman, boy, and girl, you want to see this. All you future airplane pilots, you definitely want to see this. And you creative mind and possibly even engineers, you definitely want to take a look at this because we're talking new technology, baby. And it's so simple, but boy, you can have a ton of fun. Take a peek.
Yeah, we're not that kind of company. This is Shai, a pilot, industrial designer, and an inventor. Every year or so, Shai's friend challenges him to create a never-before-seen invention. First, he was challenged to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Then, to add a camera to that plane. Then, a plane that can do aerobatics. Last year, Shai's friend looked at all the inventions and said, "Those are all great, but you can't put a flight computer with autopilot on a paper airplane so it'll fly even if it's crummy." And Shai said, "Challenge accepted." Meet Powerup 4. With 2 motors, 2 new sensors, and a flight computer, it looks bad conditions in the eye and says, "Bring it on." All you need to do is fold a paper plane, attach the module, and download the app. Now change your name to Maverick, because you're about to go full Top Gun. Thanks to Powerup 4's autopilot sensors, flight will be smooth even when conditions are rough, or if making paper planes is not your best skill. Powerup 4 has 2 new sensors, gyro and accelerometer. Combined with the onboard flight computer, Powerup 4 can now fly in windy conditions and keep the flight direction. When you tilt it a bit too much, it auto-stabilizes, so it remains airborne, even if your wing is a bit lopsided. If you want to chill and watch the plane fly, it can auto-loop on its own. In simpler terms, whatever happens, Powerup 4 continues to fly. That makes Powerup 4 the smartest, most easy-to-use plane we ever made. When you're done flying, Powerup will give you data about your flight, like maneuverability score, length of flight, and quality of paper folding. Then you get personalized tips on how to optimize your next flight. So no matter what plane you create, it will soar majestically. Eat my paper dust, birdie! Powerup 4's module, made of nylon and carbon fiber, is stronger than ever, so crashing it is a no worry. On top of that, with a new flight computer, stalls and nosedives are almost eliminated. But as Che Guevara once said, a revolution needs more than sensors and data. I didn't say that. Well, check this. Powerup 4 is also twice as strong, so you can basically fly anything. Planes made out of cardboard, styrofoam, and light wood. Since there's autopilot, you can even get this lettuce to fly. You will look stupid flying it, but we're not here to judge. We're here to be awesome. How awesome? It has this cool landing gear for takeoff and landing, and these so awesome LED lights for night flight. So if you want to fly through the sky with the most advanced paper airplane ever, or any plane really, get Powerup 4, a plane that's so much ahead of anything we've ever done, we gave it a new number.
Are you excited? Are you excited after watching that? I know I am every time I look at it, baby, because we're talking new technology, but it's so simple. And flying the skies, and you have control with just the use of your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, look in the description below and press on that link to order or to learn more, because I am an Amazon associate and I do earn from qualified purchases. And don't worry, it doesn't change the price. That's just how commerce works. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait any longer, because this is a hot item and you can see, you better get it now before it goes off the shelf, and then there's a back order. So get it now and have fun this holiday and beyond. Robert Wilkins, Merch Matcher, your Merch Matcher. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up if you hadn't given me a like already, and also go ahead and subscribe so that way you won't miss out on anything that I present on this channel. And you can rest assured there's more to come. See you next time.